Welcome back. Ground staff at Dabolim Airport staged a protest outside the airport on Monday. The agitated staff complained that they are not provided with basic facilities. They have also demanded an entry pass valid for the whole month. Airport Authority of India assured them to solve the matter within a week.
टॉयलेट इज अ प्रॉब्लम आमकां आमी इतले वर्सां हांगा एअरपोर्टाक काम करता 20 वर्सां जालीं म्हटल्यार आमकां टॉयलेट दिना वचोंक ते म्हणटा टॉयलेट तुमकां एरोल सायड थिंगा पळयल्यार CSF लॉक मारता जेन्ना फ्लायटीचो मुवमेंट आसता तेन्ना ते दार ओपन करता कितें इतले वर्सां
आमी गोंयकार इतली वर्सां हांगा काम करता हेंच्यांनी मातशें तरी आमची कॅर करपाचें काय ना
आतां एक 3 दिसा एक फोटो आनी हिंगा लायनीक रावपाक लागता आमी धांक येता 11:30 ड्युटी आमी धांक येवंक हांगा लायनीक रावता आमी केन्ना जेवपाचें केन्ना हे आमचें कोण चिंतिना आमी कोणाक आमचे प्रॉब्लेम कोणाक सांगपाचें
आता तुमकां कितें एश्युरन्स दिला
आतां आमकां सांगला मॅनेजर येवन मंडे तुमकां 1 म्हयन्याचो पास दिता म्हणून सांगला हांवें सांगला मंडे शिवाय वय म्हण पावलो मंडे दिना 1 म्हयन्याचो परतून आमी भायर रावता सगळे एअरलायन्स मंडे पास जावपा जाय 1 म्हयन्याचो
तशें हांव कितें म्हणटा हेंच्यांनी चिंतूंक जाय न्हू आमकां बाबा अशें भायर रावंक दिवंक जायना हेंच्यांनी पयलींच अशें काम करूंक जाय कितें 1 म्हयन्याचो आमकां पास करून दिवपाचो 3 दीस कितें आनी फोटो हाडा हे हाडा आमी कितें सरकारी गव्हर्मेंट कामाक आसा आमी 5,000 4,000 पेमेंट आसा तितून आनी फोटोवाचें वयता कितें करपाचें आमी
पार्किंग
पार्किंग एक प्रॉब्लम आसा हांगा आमच्या एअरपोर्टार एम्प्लॉयीजांक कांयच ना आमकां सारकें गोंयकार न्हू आमी वयल्यान येयले कशें केलां हेंच्यांनी
गाडी केला आमकां
A reporter from Dabolim, Surendra Madkaikar.
Most of the speakers at the seminar on social media opined that social media needs to be judicially regulated for its prosperity. The two-day seminar has been organized by the International Centre Goa in association with the Media Information and Communication Centre of India. First day of the seminar saw a decent turnout of people from all walks of life. The seminar aimed at touching social media related topics like role of social media in strengthening democracy, monitoring social media and others. The second session witnessed debate regarding monitoring social media. All speakers and people had varied responses for this topic. Former Goa State Election Commissioner Prabhakar Timble said that social media needs to be regulated for it to prosper.
Social media should not mean the opinion of the people who make the loudest noise. Diverse opinions have a say. If social media has to prosper, it will have to subject itself to some regulatory mechanism.
Social activist and civil engineer by profession Valmiki Naik said that there is no need to monitor social media. He also added that if it is monitored, then government should do it to understand the view of Aam Janta.
My answer actually to that question was yes and no. No, because obviously the civil unrest that they're talking about is not caused by social media. The civil unrest is caused by systems and institutions that fail. Obviously, it should not be monitored because it's against freedom of speech, simple as that. Then I said yes, because I think it is also a resource for the government, to see what people are thinking, what people are talking about, and deal with issues on a much faster basis.
However, President of GCCI Mangirish Pairaikar felt need of a regulator, but one who is judicious in all respects.
We need a regulator who is non-partisan, who is non-biased, who is straight line approach, and somebody who is neither this side nor that side, maybe in the judiciary framework.
A reporter from Donapaul, Pratik Parav, with video journalist Devendra Kaukar. Bad roads at Housing Board Madgaon has become a reason of worry for the residents in the area. Many residents have met with accidents on this road and have experienced miraculous escape. Locals have now demanded an immediate action from the state government.
Have a look at this huge pothole along the Housing Board Margaon Road. Locals claim that this pothole has become a threat to the lives of the residents in the area. One of the residents, Saheli Borkar, became a victim of this irresponsibility by the state authorities.
आणि त्या वडीतल्यान बस येताली आणि हांगा येनाका बस हांवें सायडीक मारून घेतली आनी सडनली तो खड्डो पयलो तो खड्ड्यान पडले हांव त्या आनी हांव उसोन भायर पडलें बायक भितर पडली आनी मागीर खड्डो आतां पुरयला माती घातल्या तेजेर आतां
गाडी घेऊन पडलो
हांव गाडी घेवन पडलें भितर गाडी पडली हांव उसोन भायर पडलें
मार बी लागला
हय मार लागलो तोंड आमचें सोडलें
Kurtori Shiv Sena President Felix Dice has demanded immediate action. He has also threatened that if the concerned authorities fail to take action, he would petition the Chief Minister Parrikar.
आता ते excavation already kollo कडे आहा. First complaint is that they have done excavation, which they have not filled it back. Secondly, the rain came. When the rain is coming from the hilltop, the rain is coming down. When the rain is coming down, it is taking away the silt also. Silt and mud and everything, as you are seeing this now. So what happened from there, from the bottom, all the silt and everything. Now what has happened, that has become a hollow log. And this thing has become completely soft झाला कोणा देखून ते ट्रक वयता ट्रक वयल मोटर ते पळय तूं ते ट्रक तेजेर गेला कोणा ते सकल गेला हाफ मीटर इट इज कम इनसाइड माय डिमांड इज फॉर अ स्पीड ब्रेकर माय डिमांड इज टू fill this one as soon as possible immediately not soon as possible immediately.
A reporter from Margaon, Savio Dice.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.